everyone, my name is Dr. Corrin Schreyer and I'm with Capital Chiropractic. Today I'm going to show you how to get a little bit more familiar with your foam roller for your shoulders. So there are a couple of different areas that we're going to be targeting. First, we're going to be targeting this area back here. We have lots of different muscles back there involving your lats, which can also go down to your back, but they come up around your shoulders, and also some muscles that are involved with your rotator cuff, which I'm sure a lot of you have been familiar with. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start laying over your foam roller like this. Now my chest isn't going to be facing straight forward, and it's not going to be facing up towards the ceiling, but it's going to be somewhere in the middle, maybe around 45 degrees this way. You're going to use your legs and your core muscles to lift yourself up off the floor, and you're going to roll along in here. Now it might be a little bit uncomfortable. Try it out for 10 seconds, maybe even 30 seconds, no more than a minute on both sides. And that can start help loosening up, maybe improve some range of motion for you. Next, I'm sure a lot of you would benefit from, especially if you're working from home, and maybe you catch yourself slouching sometimes at your computer. We're going to stretch out our pecs with our foam roller. This is more of a stretch rather than rolling, but it's still very, very helpful for loosening up these tissues. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to use this more as a prop. You're going to hold this here, and you're going to have one part of the foam roller supporting your butt, and then the other part of the foam roller supporting your head. I would highly recommend using a longer foam roller for this. If you don't have a foam roller that is able to support both your butt and your head, I do not recommend doing this exercise because you might develop some injuries, and we don't want that. So just make sure you have full support, and we're going to let our arms hang out here. And you can even try different positions because there are different fibers that go in different directions along the pecs. And whichever one you feel a good stretch with, hang out here and let gravity do the work. No need to do this for more than 5 minutes at a time, but this can definitely be like a nice passive stretch to get these pec muscles to just relax a little bit. Maybe even practice some diaphragmatic breathing while you're here to help improve the relaxation too. Okay, friends, you learned 2 exercises on how to get a little bit more familiar with your foam roller for your shoulders. I'm Dr. Corrin Schreyer, and I'm signing off.